Hello everybody, welcome to this session on project management. This session will introduce you to project management concepts. We will see definition of a project, program, portfolio, operations, PMO and skills of a project manager. Project management is built around a central concept known as the project. Project is the foundation upon which the profession builds its body of knowledge, conducts research, establishes standards and administers certification. Projects have become integral to the execution of an organization's strategic plan. Imagine how without a project new products would reach a customer. Let us see the definition of a project. A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product or service. Organizations perform work. Work is performed by people constrained by limited resources, planned, executed and controlled. Work generally involves operations or projects. Operations are ongoing and repetitive, whereas projects are temporary and unique. Hence, project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product or service. Projects are undertaken at all levels of an organization. They may involve a single person or many thousands. Projects may range from a few weeks or more than years. Projects may involve a single unit of one organization or may even cross multiple units or boundaries such as joint ventures and partnering. Projects are the means by which business strategy is implemented. Let us see examples of a project. Developing a new product or service, designing a new transportation vehicle, constructing a building or a facility, implementing a new business procedure, running a campaign for a political office. Let us see the definition of a program. A program is a group of projects managed in a coordinated way to have better control and to obtain better benefits available from managing them individually. These projects are highly related to each other. Program management focuses on project interdependencies and help to determine an optimal approach for managing them. For example, a non-profit organization having a fundraising program involves a series of discrete projects such as a membership drive or an auction. Publishing a newspaper magazine program. The periodical itself is an ongoing effort. Each individual issue is a project. Project management is a subset of program management. Let us look at the definition of a portfolio. A portfolio refers to projects, programs, operations managed as a group to achieve strategic objectives. The projects or programs may not be dependent or directly related to each other. Example, an infrastructure firm wants to maximize the return on investment. In order to achieve this, they may put together a portfolio that is a mix of projects in oil and gas, power, water, roads, etc. All power projects may be grouped as one program, all water projects may be grouped as one program, and maybe a few individual projects. Portfolio management refers to centralized management of one or more portfolios to achieve strategic objectives. Let us look at the definition of operations. Work that is continuous and repetitive and without an end date evolve into operations. At the end completion of a project, the end product may get turned over to operational area for ongoing care and maintenance. For example, to develop a new website is a project, whereas to do ongoing maintenance of the site, updating content are ongoing operations. Let us look at the minor differences between project and operations. Projects are temporary in nature, whereas operations are ongoing and permanent in nature. Purpose of a project is to meet its goals and conclude. Purpose of operations is to keep the organization functioning. A definition of the project management. Project management involves applying knowledge, skills, tools, techniques during the course of project to accomplish the objective. Project management brings together a set of tools and techniques performed by people to describe, organize and monitor the work of project activities. Project managers are the people responsible for managing the project and applying these tools and techniques used to carry out the project activities. Let us look at what is meant by PMO, nothing but Project Management Office. A PMO is the management structure that standardizes the project-related governance, processes and facilities, the sharing of methodologies, tools and techniques. Functions of a PMO: identifying and developing project management methodologies, best practices and standards, coaching, mentoring, training and oversight, monitoring compliance with project management standards, policies, procedures and templates. Let us look at the role of a project manager. A project manager is the person assigned by the organization to lead the team responsible for achieving project objectives. The role of a project manager is different than a functional manager. A functional manager is focused on providing management oversight for a functional area or a business unit. Let us look at the skills of a project manager. A project manager should possess knowledge, should be able to perform project management. Also, the project manager should have excellent personal skills encompassing core personality and leadership. Project manager needs a good balance amongst the following skills: leadership, team building, motivation, communication, influencing, decision making, political and cultural awareness, negotiation, conflict management, and coaching. With this, we conclude the introduction of project management. In the next chapter, you will see the forms and structures of different organizations and the phases of a project.